Hey all, welcome back. So today I'm here with a new project which is related to Python. So this project you have to take it as a challenge and I hope that you guys like challenges and challenges are really important in our life, right? So here our project is related to pizza order program. Uh, so here are some hints given. So we will write our program using this hints. So at the beginning, I'm going to print uh, welcome to Python Pizza Deliveries. So yeah, now let's read it out this one. Small pizza cost $15, medium pizza cost $20, large pizza cost $25. Pepperoni for small pizza cost add $2, pepperoni for medium or large pizza we have to add $3. Extra cheese for any size pizza we have to add $1 and print the final bill. So look at these three lines: small, medium, large. So it's based on size, right? So we we can ask the user about the size. So input oh my god, what size of pizza do you want? And in single quote is M L. So you guys will think that what is SML, right? So S stands for small, M stands for medium, L stands for large. So the value which user types, we will store it into a variable named size because it's related to size, right? Yeah, done with these three lines. So now look at these two lines: pepperoni for small size, pepperoni for medium size. So it's related to pepperoni. So we will ask, or we will create an input function that do you want pepperoni? Y stands for yes and N stands for no. This also we will store into a variable named add underscore pepperoni. Yeah, this line which is related to extra cheese. So input, do you want extra cheese? Y stands for yes, N stands for no. And this also we will store into a variable named x extra underscore cheese. So yeah, done with that. Now we have to write the program, right? We have to write the program using if else statements, nested if else statements. So if you guys are watching my video first time, then watch out my previous videos. There is a playlist of beginner Python beginners tutorial. Watch it out, then you can clearly understand what is if else statements and everything. So if first we will check about the size. So if size is equal to s means small, and don't forget to type the colon. If it is small, we have to add $15, right? Before that, we will create a variable named bill and give the value 0. So it's easy to increase the value of bill, right? So bill plus equal to small pizza have cost $15, right? So 15. Next, elif size is equal to m stands for medium and colon bill plus equal to it's $20, right? So 20 and else. Look, here we have explained about small and medium, right? So no need to write the large using elif statement. If you want, you can do it like that also, no issues. Elif size equal to large colon bill plus equal to 25. If you want, you can do like this, but actually it's not needed. I prefer else statement because this is actually enough. If you want, you can do it like that, no problem. So done with this, right? Now pepperoni. If add pep add add pepperoni is equal to y, then look, the pepperoni is related in the size, right? So here we want to use the nested if statement. So inside this if statement, we have to create another if statement and then check if this add pepperoni is yes, then the next line will be if size is equal to small colon, then the bill should add plus equal to $2, right? Else means if we have explained about small, then the else means medium and large, right? So bill plus equal to it's $3, right? So $3. Yeah, done with that. Now extra cheese. If extra cheese is equal to y colon, then bill plus equal to 1. Yes, done with these all. Now the final step is to print the final bill, right? For printing we use print function and right, your final bill is, here we can use the f string, so type on f here and dollar curly bracket, this bill variable we can write inside the curly bracket. Now your bill is the value of the bill variable, right? So yeah, this is our program, so just we can run it, right? Welcome to Python Pizza Deliveries. What size of pizza do you want? So I want large pizza. Do we want pepperoni? Yes, I like pepperoni. So do we want extra cheese? No, I don't want extra cheese. Your final bill is 28. You know how did you get 28? Large pizza costs 25, and this large pizza, if a pepperoni in large pizza, we need $3, right? So 25 plus 3, 28, and we said extra cheese, we don't want extra cheese. So our final bill is 28. So I hope that this project is interesting. So consider subscribing for more interesting projects. So join our WhatsApp community, follow our Instagram page. Everything's link is in the description and watch out our Python tutorial videos. Thank you. Until next video, take care and bye bye.